my moments of fear, through every pain, every tear, there's a God who's been faithful to me. When my strength was all gone, when my heart had no song, even then He was faithful to me. Every word He promised is true. What I thought was impossible, I've seen my God do. He's been faithful, faithful to me. Looking back, His love and mercy I see. Though in my heart I have questioned, even failed to believe, yet He's been faithful, faithful to me. When my heart looked away, so many times I couldn't pray, still in love He proved faithful to me. The days I spent so selfishly, reaching out for what pleased me, even then God was faithful to me. Every time I come back to Him, He is waiting with open arms, and I see once again that He's been faithful, faithful to me. Looking back, His love and mercy I see. Though in my heart I have questioned, even failed to believe, that He's been faithful, faithful to me. Oh, in my heart I have questioned and even failed to believe, yet He's been faithful, faithful to me. Is anything too hard for God? Who's got a problem beyond His power to solve? Or the situations He's not the master of? Is anything too hard for God? You might as well get deep behind me, Satan. You cannot prevail, because Jesus never fails. Yes, He's been faithful, faithful